I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Can I see her, please? I'll be back.
Fear is a path of the dark side, Anakin. Fear leads to hate. Hate leads to anger. Anger leads to the dark side.
Oh, holy cow, Rick. I just want to go home, that's all. Just to bring the spaceship in. Oh, let's go, alright. Oh, man.
My name is Homer, and I must take the lead. You won't be bothered.
Send the 4 legions. We must attack first.
Hello. My name is Stephen Hawking. I am here to deliver to you a message. Stay curious and share your knowledge with friends. Do not hesitate to ask questions, and remember to look up at the stars, not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see. And I hope you liked the video. Please share if you can.
And thank you for watching.